Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, you know we are discussing the kingdom Monera, and so far we have discussed one organism which is included in this kingdom, that is the bacteria, and we have also thrown light in our yesterday's lecture upon the useful and harmful activities of bacteria, that is the economic importance of bacteria. Now in this way we have completed the bacteria, and today we will take one more organism, one more moneran, or one more representative which is included in this kingdom, and those are called the mycoplasmas. Mycoplasmas. These are also called in short PPLO, Pleuropneumonia-like organism. So first of all, we will take the general characters of these mycoplasmas. The first general character of these mycoplasmas are that mycoplasmas are the smallest known prokaryotic organisms characterized by the absence of cell wall. So you should remember here that these mycoplasmas, these are the prokaryotic organisms and these organisms have no cell wall. That means their cell wall is not present in these organisms. These organisms were discovered in 1843 by a scientist whose name was Pasteur. तो ये भी आपने जहन में रखना है कि जो ये ऑर्गेनिज्म्स हैं माइकोप्लाज्मास, इनको 1843 में एक साइंसदान जिसका नाम था लुईस पास्चर, उसने इनको दरियाफ्त किया इन द प्लूरल फ्लूइड्स ऑफ कैटल्स. कहाँ पर दरियाफ्त किया? इन द प्लूरल फ्लूइड्स ऑफ कैटल्स सफरिंग फ्रॉम प्लीरोनमोनिया. एनिमल्स में एक बीमारी थी जिसका नाम था प्लीरोनमोनिया. तो उसकी तहकीक के दौरान उसका प्लूरल फ्लूइड निकालने के दौरान लुईस पास्चर ने 1843 में इनको दरियाफ्त किया. एंड देयरफॉर दे वर कॉल्ड द प्लीरोनमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म. और इनको इस साइंसदान ने नाम रखा प्लीरोनमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज PPLO. सो यहाँ पर आपने ये भी याद रखना है कि इनका नाम जो प्लीरोनमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म दिया गया है वो क्यों दिया गया है? क्योंकि जो डिजीज़ कैटल्स में पाई जाती थी प्लीरोनमोनिया, तो उसकी तहकीक के दौरान जब इनका पता चला तो इनका नाम फिर प्लीरोनमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म दिया गया है. So these are in short called the PPLO. These organisms were grown in culture media. After their discovery, these organisms were grown in culture medium by another scientist whose name was Nocard and Rox. These were two scientists and who have grown these organisms in culture medium. One was the Nocard and another was the Rox in the year 1898. Later, one more scientist whose name was Novak, Nowak, Novak, he placed them in the genus Mycoplasma. तो उसने इनको एक genus में रखा है, that is called the Mycoplasma, and the year was 1929. So you should remember that these mycoplasmas are the smallest known prokaryotic organisms which have no cell wall and were discovered in 1843 by a scientist whose name was Louis Pasteur in the pleural fluids of cattle which were suffering from pleuropneumonia, and then their name was felt the pleuropneumonia like organism, that is the PPLO. and then these organisms were grown in culture medium by another two scientists, Knockaert and Rockes, in 1898. Later, one more scientist whose name was Novak, he placed them in the genus Mycoplasma in 1929. The second general character of these mycoplasmas are they occur in soil, sewage water, and in decaying organic matter. This is their occurrence. So ये कहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं? These are found in soil, sewage water, and in decaying organic matter. They are anaerobes, जो ऑक्सीजन के बगैर, एक तो होता है एरोब्स, दूसरा होता है एनाएरोब्स. These are anaerobes. So some mycoplasma occur parasitically and pathogenically in plants, animals, and in human beings. That means these mycoplasmas are parasitic also and they are pathogenic also. यानी कि ये दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म पर फीड भी करते हैं और दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को नुकसान भी पहुंचाते हैं. और ये प्लांट्स में भी पाए जाते हैं, एनिमल्स में भी, एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में. और वहाँ पर दे एक्ट एज और दे ओकर एज पैरासाइट्स एज वेल एज पैथोजेन्स. So they are the anaerobes and they occur parasitically and pathogenically in plants, animals, and in human beings. Number third general character is they vary in size. उनका size एक जैसा नहीं रहता है. They vary in size mostly from 0.125 to 0.150 mm in diameter. उनका diameter जो है वो 0.125 to 0.150 micrometers है. They are the smallest free living organisms. Smallest free living organism and can pass through bacterial proof filters. Number fourth general character of these mycoplasmas is that they are highly polymorphic, varying in shape. That means they have not a definite shape. They vary in shape. From spherical to branched filamentous structure. That means they can be spherical, they can be filamentous also. So they vary in shape. Since these organisms do not have a definite shape, they are called jokers of plant kingdom. यानी कि इसका मतलब यह है कि इनकी एक डेफिनेट शेप नहीं है, एक मखसूस शेप, मखसूस शक्ल नहीं होती है, तो इसलिए इनको बोलते हैं jokers of plant kingdom. So if the question will arise, come in examination, why this mycoplasma is called the jokers of plant kingdom, and your answer should be that they are called the jokers of plant kingdom because they do not have a definite shape. Now the fifth general character of these mycoplasmas is that they are unicellular. That means they are made up of only one cell, gram negative. They are not gram positive, but they are gram negative prokaryotes and do not produce spores. Those spore formation is not found in these mycoplasmas. Now the sixth character is that they are insensitive to penicillin. Antibiotics के मतलब अगर हम देखेंगे इनका जो माइकोप्लाज्मा है, दे आर इनसेंसिटिव टू पेनिसिलिन. यानी कि पेनिसिलिन एक एंटीबायोटिक है, तो इसके मतलब ये एक दे आर इनसेंसिटिव बट दे आर सेंसिटिव टू अदर एंटीबायोटिक. जो दूसरे एंटीबायोटिक्स होते हैं लाइक स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन है, अरिथ्रोमाइसिन है, तो उनके लिए वो सेंसिटिव हैं, लेकिन जो पेनिसिलिन एंटीबायोटिक है उनके लिए वो इनसेंसिटिव है. नाउ द सेवंथ कैरेक्टर इज दे कॉज प्लांट डिजीजेस. ये प्लांट डिजीज भी पैदा करते हैं लाइक एस्टर येलो एक डिजीज है प्लांट्स में, तो वो ये पैदा करते हैं प्लांट्स में. पोटैटो विचेस ब्रूम ये एक डिजीज है आलू में, तो ये भी पैदा करते हैं. एंड मलबेरी डेवार्फ, और जो ये हमें तूत के दरख्त होते हैं तो उनमें भी ये बीमारियां पैदा करते हैं. तो ये तो हो गई प्लांट डिजीज़ की बात. यानी कि प्लांट डिजीज़ जो ये पैदा करते हैं प्लांट्स में, उनमें एस्टर येलो है, पोटैटो विच इज ब्रूम है, एंड मलबेरी डेवार्फ है। नाउ द डिजीजेज विच आर कॉज्ड इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, दे इंक्लूड रहमेटिज्म, जिसको रिहार बोलते हैं, रहमेटिज्म पैदा करते हैं ये एनिमल्स में, एंड आर्थराइटिस। These two diseases are caused in animals by these mycoplasmas. So this was all about these mycoplasmas, their general characters. So I hope that you have understood the today's lecture, and we have concluded these mycoplasmas. This question has been concluded and we have completed the general characters. इनके मुतलिक इतना ही था हमारे सिलेबस में। तो I hope you will remember these things, these general characters of these mycoplasmas, जिनको हम नटशल में बोलते हैं PPLO, that means pleuro pneumonia like organisms. So this was all about today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.